Zero road casualties by 2050. This is the ambitious program of the European Union, to be achieved also through research projects such as Pioneers, which studies new protective systems for powered two-wheeler users. Which innovation will really be able to increase safety for motorcycle or scooter riders?
We studied hundreds, indeed thousands of crashes and discovered that the most promising solution in emergency conditions is to automatically brake the powered two-wheeler to reduce the impact speed. Such a system already exists in cars. But will riders be able to handle automatic braking?
To answer this question, the Pioneers project conducted a trial using a Ducati motorcycle and a Piaggio scooter. 55 male and female volunteers with different levels of riding experience were selected. No information was disclosed about the safety system to be tested. The test vehicles were modified to implement a remote activation of the brakes while driving along a specific track. The goal was to reproduce a system intervention similar to what would occur in an emergency situation when the rider is unprepared.
High levels of deceleration can help to avoid a crash, but may also lead to loss of control. In order to understand the controllability limits for the rider, in our experiment we tried out different levels of intervention, with activations in a straight line, in bends, as well as in lane change and slalom maneuvers. With both a motorbike and a scooter, the automatic brake intervention in a straight line was clearly acceptable. Even at deceleration level of 5 meters per second squared, which is similar to that achieved when braking hard at a sudden red light. In the other test conditions, the evaluation was globally positive, with slightly more difficulties in handling the vehicle when the system activates during a slalom. However, it should be noted that in more than 1,000 activations, no real loss of control was detected.
The tests of the Pioneers project confirm that automatically braking powered two-wheelers in emergency conditions is technically feasible. Currently, our research group is dealing with road tests and riding simulations to verify whether this system is applicable in real-world emergency situations. It would be a breakthrough for the safety of powered two-wheelers, a step towards the goal of zero road casualties.